Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a viral ASMR AI video in just a few easy steps. No advanced skills needed and super simple. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT. This is where we'll generate our prompts. Just type create several prompts to generate ASMR AI videos of glass objects shaped like fruits, strawberries, and others being sliced with a knife like this, just like this. And then ChatGPT will give you multiple prompts ideas like this. Just look through these suggestions and then just pick the one that you like best. I will choose this one. And then just copy that prompt like this. Next, just open Google Flow and then just tap on Create with Flow and then tap on New Projects and then choose Text to Video and then just paste your prompt in here and then just choose your model video. I will choose VL3 Flash and then just choose your output numbers. I will choose one output. And then after that, just click on generate. Okay, like this, let's play the video. Like this. And that's it, your AI generated ASMR video is ready. You can download it and then just post it on your social media. Okay, like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.